So this is the head for tripod NEEWER GM001. This is for video, and you know it's not for camera because it has a handle, and the kind of head that it is meant for video. Now I put the handle here on the right side because I'm right-handed, but you can also change it here just like in any video. This is the quick release grip, is Manfrotto compatible. This is the locking mechanism. This is to control pan, tilt. Okay, this is the bubble, and this is the button so you can attach to your tripod. Also comes with adapter and the Allen wrench if needed. And let's give it a try. Okay, the handle also you can extend at your according to your needs. No, sorry. What's going on? Okay, something is not right. Okay, now I got it. So you loose, move, and then tight. Now I got it. Okay. So the best way to try a tripod is try to do a pan and see the response.